Mower Mike here at Mower Mike's Garage. Alright, so this video is going to be a little different today. It's not going to be my usual skipping around, making all the dumb jokes, just in my mower fix and bliss. No, I've got to come clean on this one. Now, if you haven't noticed, I've been pushing the foam in the tire videos pretty hard. I mean, freaking over 200,000 people have watched me put foam in tires. I mean, that's as big as Lubbock, Texas. That is ridiculous to me. So around here at the Texas HQ, I've been pumping foam in every tire I got. I mean, I've just been having a good time. I've been keeping old Reeves up the corner here, selling me foam. And the other day, I went to my shop and checked out the Zeroturn, the 60-inch Cub Cadet, and I looked at this tire and it looks flat. I was like, that's not possible. That is not possible. That tire is full of freaking foam. Great stuff foam. I've been pushing it all over the world. No, she's flat. So I immediately brought it in here, and we're doing a full barrage test on her to see what's going on. I had R&D in here, and this moron at A&M said, Mower Mike, put all your weights on there you own. So I got like 5,000 pounds of Mower Mike weights on here just to test it out. And it's not going too good. She's looking flatter and flatter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this wheel off, and we're going to get her up here on the shop table. We're going to slice the sucker open and see what's going on in there with this foam. It is not foolproof, apparently. And also, we're going to talk about some remedies to it, some certain things I'm working on down here at HQ. So stick around and let's see what happens. I've got the wheel up here on my Mower Mike's Garage shop table, and we're going to slice her open. Now, first thing you'll notice, this wheel's been to hell and back. I mean, before I put foam in it, I put about 4 different plugs in it on my plug video. So she's about the ugliest freaking tire you're ever going to see in your life. You can see where I put the foam in here also. Now, I've tried to cut it open just with a utility knife, like on the other mower video, but that's just not doing it. I just can't quite get through it. So we're going to break out the big guns. I got my Craftsman freaking angle grinder, and we're just going to let her rip. And I have no idea what's going to happen here. It's probably going to be dangerous, so don't do it. Lots of smoke. Oh my gosh, lots of smoke. Whoa. Very weird smoke. Don't do this at home. You probably shouldn't be breathing all this stuff. Okay, we're back. I'm still alive. That was a really, really bad idea. Never take an angle grinder to a tire, especially one full of foam. It seems to make some sort of toxic smoke, and it was just, things got really weird. Just don't do it, kids. It's a really bad idea. So I've gone to plan C. My little utility knife wasn't enough, so I got myself my catfish fillet knife, which has some foam on it from other foam adventures, and it's actually slicing through pretty good. Come to find out that this tire has itself a what do you call it? It has a steel ring on the inside, so it's not like you can just slice through it, just like any other tire. The other mower tire apparently didn't. So I'm just slicing this thing open like freaking pizza. I don't care anymore. Look at that. This sucker is sharper than any knife in the freaking world. Come on. Again, don't do this. It's very stupid and very dangerous. I'm gonna slice your freaking finger off. Hopefully I don't slice mine off. But, oh my gosh. Oh gosh, this looks horrible in here. All right, let me slice around the other side and we're gonna open her up for you. The moment of truth is upon us. I am a little scared. I've got it sliced all the way around, sliced down the middle, sliced all the way around, and we're gonna open it up. I have not actually seen what's going on in this tire, so let's open her up. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, that looks god awful. Let's see what happened in here. It's wet, the foam is broken. Well, what's happened is that the foam broke down. This is a 60-inch Zeroturn lawnmower, so it does have quite a bit of weight on there. And from my analysis, guys, foam does not work. It doesn't work for a riding lawnmower. Okay, let's just be honest. My foam gravy train just fell off the freaking tracks. As you can see, when you put a bunch of weight on it, it'll be okay for a while. I mowed this thing probably 2 months, probably about 6 times around 1 acre yard, but eventually that foam does break down. You can see there's a lot of moisture in there from other foam things, and it's just a mess, guys. Now, I would use foam on something light, like maybe a generator or something you're not using too often, maybe a dolly, but as far as for a lawn tractor, just too much weight, too much weight. I had to cut that scene off. There was nasty brown foam splooge all over my table. We had to clean it up. I had to throw that crap out. Guys, I am done foaming mower tires. It's just too much weight. Let's move on. Now, what I've got for my Zeroturn here, whoa, I might get a phone call from the president or the non-president. What I've got is a Zeroturn mower wheel. This is a front wheel I got off Amazon for about 60 bucks, and it's 11 inches by 4. It's solid rubber. So there's no foam in this dude. It's about 60 bucks. I'll put a link below. And also I want to give you guys hope. I am working on a new product right now for tires. I refuse to put a tire on a lawnmower. I'm just inherently lazy. I've done it. I'm out. So with that, guys, please subscribe, stick around. We're going to keep having more fun. Mower Mike out. Boy, that video really sucked, didn't it? Didn't turn out as I planned, that's for sure. I'll tell you what, I'm going to fire my freaking director. We need some better quality content for you fellas. Now, a little side note. Some of you more astute viewers may have noticed my number 42 Juan Pablo Montoya flag. For those of you who don't know, Juan Pablo Montoya was by far the most talented NASCAR driver ever to be on a track. Hands down. I tell you what, if you put Juan Pablo Montoya on a freaking track, a real track, you know, like a Watkins Glen where you actually got to turn right, not one of these circle tracks like Daytona, something that takes some freaking skill to drive. Let's say you put Juan Pablo Montoya on there. Let's give you Dale Jr. Let's give you Dale Sr. Let's put Smoke on there. Let's even put freaking Jeff Gordon on there. Not that old announcer Jeff Gordon, but the young one, you know, in 96 when he was freaking crazy, just pissing everybody off in his fancy car. You put him on a track, you know what you're going to have? You're going to have Juan Pablo by half a lap in first. Second, you're going to have Smoke. Third, you're going to have freaking Jeff Gordon. And third and fourth, you're going to have the two Dales. You know what's going to happen? Dale Sr. is going to take out Dale Jr. and they're going to be fighting. So, you know, I just wanted to have a little education for you guys who have forgotten what an awesome NASCAR driver Juan Pablo Montoya is. I know some of you are just throwing your beer cans at the TV screen, but you know what? Just get used to it. Because sometimes the freaking truth hurts. Just pull that Band-Aid off and just realize it. So with that, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a couple giggles. And let's come back next round. Peace out.